Battlefield 1942, Secret Weapons of WW2. Battlefield 1942, Secret Weapons of WW2. Wolfenstein, Enemy Territory. Wolfenstein, Enemy Territory. Day of Defeat, Source. Day of Defeat, Source. Day of Defeat. Day of Defeat. Call of Duty. Call of Duty. Wolfenstein. Wolfenstein. Medal of Honor, European Assault. Medal of Honor, European Assault. Wolfenstein, The New Order. Wolfenstein, The New Order. Call of Duty, Finest Hour. Call of Duty, Finest Hour. Brothers in Arms Earned in Blood. Brothers in Arms Earned in Blood. Return to Castle Wolfenstein. Return to Castle Wolfenstein. Medal of Honor, Pacific Assault. Medal of Honor, Pacific Assault. Brothers in Arms, Hell's Highway. Brothers in Arms, Hell's Highway. Call of Duty, WW2. Call of Duty, WW2. Medal of Honor, Airborne. Medal of Honor, Airborne. Call of Duty 2, Big Red 1. Call of Duty 2, Big Red 1. Brothers in Arms, Road to Hill 30. Brothers in Arms, Road to Hill 30. Medal of Honor, Frontline. Medal of Honor, Frontline. Call of Duty 3. Call of Duty 3. Call of Duty, United Offensive. Call of Duty, United Offensive. Red Orchestra 2, Heroes of Stalingrad. Red Orchestra 2, Heroes of Stalingrad. Battlefield 1942. Battlefield 1942. Medal of Honor, Allied Assault. Medal of Honor, Allied Assault. Call of Duty, World at War. Call of Duty, World at War. Call of Duty 2. Call of Duty 2.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.